It's okay. We'll continue what have a video. So let's get started with. Sorry, I was trying to do 3 cameras at the same time.
Hello,
Okay.
Nene.
We are going to apply the. Hold on, wrong one. Like a whole entire the nails. Gonna apply that. Like Vicky, like, oh, I like that, and only here for 30 seconds. And this is if you have any of like a troubleshooting with your chamfer foil, this gonna be going to be your bestie on your station. So this is number 29 chamfer foil gels, and we found a good spot for that one. Looks really good, and it's kind of a contrast colors for the nails. And then with this, Aurora gel polish is available for subscription box member. And exclusive.
When do they
right
get this
now.
one? Is this next month?
No, this month.
Oh, this month they get
This month they're
that one?
getting this one.
Nice.
All right, so I have to do this one for a second. But we're doing that one.
With a little leaf in it. I like it.
So a little leaf and that. All right, so press it down. 30 seconds already?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Sorry, you did, you press it? I was like totally forget. I'll keep looking
I don't
at.
even know. I might have just taken it out.
We're so excited and we're so tired though. But we're so excited. We like go. We're gonna go live and say hi to everyone, and so excited. And charge for everything.
So I cured it 30 seconds. I'm like,
You
I
did?
don't know.
Hi Nene, how are you? So it's Chandra's pretty much everything.
Yeah.
This time we have
but look
Vicky
at how
nails
cute
shorter.
it looks on this.
And I'm gonna do some crystal placement on this nail first, and then we're gonna move on to the next nails. We're gonna do 2 nails for ring fingers and pointed fingers. This is the number 1 glow in the dark, and if you notice that yours is glow in the dark crystal kit, the special sale during this week, you are going to receiving your free crystal trifecta.
I don't know if I'm in frame.
Yes, you are. And then it's come with the condensed glue gels, no wipe top coat, and precision glue gels, and of course your is mega mix of the crystal, different sizes and different colors. So this is gonna be your bestie.
Did you get this one free?
Yes, for that.
Nice.
With this kit.
That's because
the
I
first
already
kit.
bought my kit.
The first kit. She said like, why didn't I get it free?
I know, I already got my kit.
So we're gonna start with the condensed glue gels, and then limited is time offer. So hope you enjoy the saving. Condensed glue gel is gonna be really thick density, so we're gonna pick just a little bit where I'm at right now. Try to run the camera 2 of them at the same time. And we're gonna apply it right on the top, not too thick, not too thin.
Oh, thank you, Nene. We've been working so hard on the shop, you guys. I'm down here helping in the warehouse and our brand new showroom. So you'll be able to shop in person when you're in Pensacola. And so I've been here. I was here last week and then back again this week. I went home for 3 days.
Yeah. She just stop by Michigan for 3
And
days.
thank goodness the hurricane missed it. I was like, oh my God, it'll be my first hurricane.
Yeah.
But it has been raining nonstop.
She's like, I'm so excited to see if I can see her again. I said, no. So thinking of all of you in Louisiana. Hope
Oh
you
my
all,
gosh, yeah.
Hope you're all safe. And
Ooh,
good anyway.
brand new crystal thicker.
yeah, because I drop it so many times with the other one. What did I got in there? Gel? All right.
Oh, thank goodness your
Work on
son
it.
got home. Nene's son was working in Louisiana on the oil rig. Oh,
The sun's
definitely
safely.
did not want to be out there.
So what I'm gonna do is floating and on the top coat on the top of the condensed glue gels. Can you all see? It looks like really dark because the background is with the crystal underneath. So I'm gonna pick the really super adorable heart for Vicky. Pick the heart frame in here. That's the best thing about this kit. It had all of the different frame. You can see that thousand of metal frame right here.
It comes with so many.
Like now we're like, we want the heart.
Where's the heart?
There's a lot of heart in here. I just
know.
want a big one.
I know.
But look, I did the design like this one too.
Oh, that's why I'm using that. No, I got the big puffy heart, the big one.
The big one?
Yeah, I got a design picked out, but I haven't been home.
This one works too, you know.
That's cute.
You can do that, and then getting the cheeky heart.
And I love his heart. I love the cheeky heart.
And then we'll start adding all that.
Oh, thank you. She said she can see just fine. My allergies are with all this rain down here. They're just going crazy.
I'm gonna add the amount sign SS68. I think it's about 888.
I love these crystals. They're just a great pastel.
And
then
it's go with all season.
Yeah, it goes with all of them, but it's just like so fresh looking. And then bonus, they glow in the dark.
Yes.
I just had these on my last set, but you couldn't tell when I was glow in the dark because I had the velvety glow in the dark on my nails. Oh my gosh.
It's glow everything.
It is. It freaked me out the first day. I went to bed and they were bright.
No, at first when I was wake up, I said, "Oh my god!"
And then I woke her up in the morning because she was there, and I woke her up like, "Oh my god, Nancy, you got to see this!" Because I woke up and they were still glowing, but they shocked me because I forgot they were on.
Shocked me with the velvety gel.
Oh my god, that glows so incredible.
Talking about the velvety gel, it's also 30% off as well.
That's what I have on my nails right now, but I just did clear because I knew I was going to do them when I got down here. Paint them. I know, wasn't it? It was ridiculously bright. I did a video, so if you haven't seen it, you can look on my page, Vicki Jensen, or I think you didn't share it to your page, did you? My glow in the dark video?
Did I? No.
I don't think so. I think it's just on my page. But you can see, I had a girl film it at work. We turned off all the lights. Well, we went in the bathroom, turned off the lights, and she filmed it for me there. Oh my god, that looks so cute.
That is so stunning.
I love it.
Hey, hope you all have a fabulous Monday. I feel like, what is Sunday?
I know. I have
Is
to
it
go
Sunday?
home tomorrow. I'm so sad.
Is that sound like Sunday today?
No, it's Monday. Well, that's because the kids didn't have school today because of the hurricane.
Oh.
Because there was so many, we were under tornado watches this whole time.
Yeah.
I know, the cheeky heart's so cute. Yeah, Don, this crystal kit is so pretty.
All right. Oh, sorry. I zoom it too much. Okay, great. So if you're happy with this, we're going to cure this for 60 seconds.
60.
So adorable.
This time I not take it out too early, but I gotta change. Oh, they're right there. No.
Sorry, because we're gonna cure it.
Yeah, we'll cure again.
Okay, so while we're waiting for her nails, I'm gonna share with you this kit is sold out and it's back in the stock now. So great time to grab it, and of course you get a free crystal trifecta. So when you order it, it's already showing it free crystal trifectas, and it will last until whatever comes first. Either sold out or it's a special is end. So it comes with the SS4, SS6, SS8, SS10, SS12, and SS16.
Yeah.
If you haven't get chance to see a lot of videos, I saved them all there for you. You can create this like simple as nails as you want, or you can do a dramatic nails or short nails, long nails. It's also come with 14 different colors and 14 different, well, it's also a different shape. So throughout whole entire kits, it's completely like total 9,000 pieces of crystal. And also you have like a 4 time of like crystal jars, luxury jars of all the metals is frame, bead.
So many frames.
And so many frames and also beads. So we mix in the silvers and gold.
And you can cut the frames too. So if you just want just a bar, you can cut the straight square. You can cut it to a curve.
Yeah. Okay, let me move this one on the side. And we're gonna do on the next one. Oh, you put it here so you can get your rest.
Okay, then I have an armrest.
Your armrest.
Go just a
Oh,
little
you started with Sunday today too. So funny, Dom. Same thing. I was like, thought today's Sunday too. All right, so moving on, the next one. I'm so excited because we are going to using Weaver gels on this beauty. It's right here. Is the pure white Weaver gels, and it's really gonna be simple